Do you want to improve your brain power and focus? Today I've got a quick and easy exercise that can help you boost your energy, sharpen your mind, and feel better overall. Especially if you are in your 30s, 40s, 50s, or like me, almost 60, you definitely shouldn't miss this one. And here's the cool part. We are going to use body percussion. Basically, clapping, snapping, and tapping your body to wake up your brain and help you feel more focused and energized. It's simple and fun. Alright, let's do this together. Before we start, I want to let you know that we are going to work mirrored. That means when I say left, I mean your left and my right. This makes it much easier for you to follow along and you will learn the exercise much faster. Okay, it goes like this. Left hand on your thigh, snap with your right hand, snap with your left hand, right hand on your thigh, left hand on your thigh, clap once. Let's do this again. Left hand on your thigh, snap with your right hand, snap with your left hand, right hand on your thigh, left hand on your thigh, clap once. Great. Let's repeat it 2 more times, but now let's add a bit more tempo. Left hand on your thigh, snap with your right hand, snap with your left hand, right hand on your thigh, left hand on your thigh, clap once. One last time. Left hand on your thigh, snap with your right hand, snap with your left hand, right hand on your thigh, left hand on your thigh, clap once. Beautiful. Let me show you what it sounds like when I play it 4 times in a row. This time, a little bit faster. Now, let's do it together, a few times in a row. Let me count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. Practice this exercise for just a few minutes every day to improve your brain power, memory, and focus. On top of that, you will boost your energy and feel better overall. As we age, it's normal to notice some changes in our energy and mental sharpness. But the good news is exercises like this can help us keep that sharp focus, high energy, and vitality that are so important for us feeling our best. By practicing exercises like this, we are not only improving our brain power today, but also strengthening our mind and body for years ahead. And it's really all about staying active, engaged, and energized as we age, actually, because it's really up to us to maintain our mental clarity and vitality. And if you know someone who could benefit from this exercise, don't hesitate to share this video with them. Let's help each other and stay focused, energized, and full of life. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and write in the comments how you feel after trying this exercise. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.